Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing my lashes today. So I'm here with
Beauty Bar.
Okay, I'm gonna link her IG in the description box.
Thank you.
Okay, so today what are we doing?
Hybrid lashes.
Okay, and can you explain what's the difference between classic and hybrid?
So classic is single lashes, one lash to a lash, while hybrid lashes is the volume lash mixed with a single lash together.
Okay, and both of them last the same?
Both of them last the same time. It's just that hybrid gives a little bit more fullness, while classic looks more natural, like mascara.
Okay, alright, I'll go with the hybrid one then.
Alright.
That I organized, but I actually asked one of my friends to help me to organize it because I wanted to surprise some of my high school friends, so they actually don't know that I'm in Jamaica. But anyways, I'm gonna go get my hair done, not this wig. I'm gonna install a wig and I'm gonna get my makeup done, and then I'm gonna head to brunch. Hey guys, I made it to the hairdresser slash makeup artist, and she's sorting out my wig right now, so I'm just waiting. I'm the only person here because it is a Sunday, so nobody, I guess people don't work on a Sunday in this mall, because even the plaza was closed at the gates. Nobody could drive in. Okay, I have no hair. I'll edit. Oh, the problem, dia pull. Pull it down. Yeah, see how it's thick. Okay. The wind now blow it away. Imagine.
Some outdoor stuff here, go?
Yeah, in the outside.
Well, you gonna feel some breeze. I'm a nasty thing here.
Yeah, I like it flowy like this. I just hope that wind not mess it up.
Alright, so guys, I do hair and I also do makeup and I also style, so you could check out my page on Instagram. It's 𝐥𝐤𝐬,
_beyondbeautiful_beauty bar, and I'm also on Facebook as Beyond Beautiful Beauty Bar.
Okay guys, so I'll leave her link in the description box below. Alright guys, okay, so my sister finally came to pick me up, and because of her I'm gonna be late for my own thing. All days are surprising because some people don't know that I'm actually in Jamaica. Anyway, my makeup is done and all of that. So so we're heading to this place called Rock Hotel. I booked this restaurant there, and we're gonna do like a brunch thing, like I said earlier. Yeah, and I'm gonna meet up with some of my high school friends and some people that I used to work with. Probably like 2 people, because I'm gonna go look for them in the coming week. Yeah, one day this week I think. Yeah, so that's that. Just saying hi. Can't see my dress because it was cold in the hairdressing place, so I had to wrap this around me. Yeah. We gotta hurry up because we're late. Well, I'm not late. Yeah, I was early. Well, okay, let me not blame on anybody. Not looking. Eyes on the road, please. I'll record when I'm there. Alright guys, so we made it to the Rock Hotel. We're in the parking lot. We're gonna try and find the entrance because I'm late.
It's just straight ahead that way.
Okay.
Straight ahead.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
This side is a bar. Outside.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm coming. I have to come back down for my shoes.
Pretty like money.
Hi, Orange.
I want to do something.
Good to see you.
Good man.
So where's that? Hi, paparazzi. Where's everybody else?
Nobody else.
Nobody.
You're late as usual. My Francine camera.
It's on site.
So we're going to be outside.
It's a different restaurant. Yeah. Too bright.
Yeah, get them
It's nice.
Go on your love.
Right here.
Oh, it's over there.
Near says nice.
Yes, it is. Let's go down there. Wait on the label.
Mega beside Andre. Or anything. It doesn't matter. Because when I come, you can't move in the middle because you gotta, you stay beside Andre.
Hey guys, I'm here with Andre.
Is recording?
Yes, it's recording. Andre, that's always laughing. Hey. So Andre, we used to work together when I used to work in Jamaica. So 4 years ago, we worked. Yeah, I was like his boss,
Yeah.
I'm joking. Well, I used to boss him around, but
Definitely my boss. It's good to have her back in Jamaica, and to be one of the few that have been invited to celebrate this moment.
Okay, so we're at this place, brunch, and it's $75 per person, but you can have up to 20 different, where you have 20 different items to choose from, and also you can have them as many times as you want. But if you don't eat it, you have to pay $5 per plate. So if you order something and you don't eat it at all, you gotta pay $5. But it's $75 and you get a lot of, like, it's almost like all you can eat. Yeah, but it's expensive though, because let's see one tray.
That's 11,625 Jamaican dollars.
That's a lot of money. I didn't know that it was gonna be so expensive, but I guess it's too late to not go now, The late bus.
Let's talk about it with another one. Because fancy food here. Let's talk about it. Alright, we change with no kids.
Okay, so he's playing music for us. Oh, Oh dear, my friends are there. Where? No, that's not them. Oh, hi. The first one out of the late bugs, the first late bug.
First late bug is here.
Hi.
Nice seeing you. I almost didn't recognize you.
Really?
Hey, what's up?
You're the friend that was waiting?
Yes, that he has to go back to work. So Andre meets Sachoney. Sachoney meets Andre.
Oh, you're Sachoney. Okay.
Oh, what you know about
Makes sense.
Sachoney?
The reservation was made in our name.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So at least you're here.
That was supposed to be earlier than her.
Okay.
Yes.
But I guess it's because I stopped.
Because you what?
I stopped. I still never get to finish.
Okay, that's fine.
Clean. Your face looks like it's tomorrow.
That's what everybody said. My mom said I haven't changed, and then my stepmom, not really stepmom, but stepmom said I look like I'm 18 years old.
You look so much smaller.
That's good though.
He doesn't mean small, but look at you.
I look younger too, but I makeup and the makeup makes me look like older.
No, you don't look older. You look pretty.
Thank you. We are gonna try and see if we can relocate to outside because we ain't paying $75 per person.
Hi, Suri.
Yeah. So his food is here. Salmon and something.
The other one was, this is salmon bruschetta. And this is the beef.
Beef carpaccio, whatever. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.
It's nice though. Like you speak a different language.
Let's try this now.
You speak a different language?
No, I don't.
You have an accent.
So I keep hearing.
From ever since in our accent.
It's good.
Come on, foodie. Eat up. What is that?
Last night I saw the thing on her Facebook that said leaving Japan and I'm like,
My friend,
Hello, friends.
my surprise worked out. Yes, I'm
Oh, yeah.
married and
I was wondering if I pushed
pregnant and everything. My heart beating. This was a surprise. Yes, it was. Cute. She like the dog. She's cute. You finally come back to Jamaica.
Yes.
Finally. For now.
I love Fizzy.
Maybe I lost weight, maybe. Oh, lost weight?
Yes. Well, no, you just look like
Yeah,
you
she
just don't
lost.
grow.
She lost.
You just look the same.
Okay, so when Rebecca
Because that's useful. Thank you.
And it was soon, but whatever. Yeah, we need to work out some way. Last night I saw. But we tell her. And then you go plan birthday.
No.
How we are going to do it? Because we have to.
The only way Christiana is because of the actor for suggestions. That's the only way. And she probably should figure it out. That much. So these are my high school friends.
There were no surprises on the presents.
It's a Christian. No, she does not expression. No, I don't want her.
My previous coworker, my sister.
Okay, I should have hoped for
One more time.
Tickles.
Mysterious. No.
So when it. So one more.
The person is here. Andre, you finished eating? No. I'm waiting on my husband. Okay. Sachoney, how you feeling? Hi, Latoya, how you feeling?
Excited and happy that our friends are back home.
Sachoney? Rebecca? You don't remember me, right? Sachoney's sister. But just
Have you called? What's up? Probably. I think so.
fun.
Yes. I'm never get to find something there. She's like, yeah.
Is he standing up? It's not a $1.
The person is coming up downstairs now? Oh, so pause it.
She's just shorter.
You don't think you look like this lady here? You don't
No,
look like
she
her?
does not.
You don't think so? Yeah, maybe this is
This
fine.
song is dedicated to you.
Okay,
For
me.
your return to us.
Okay.
Come on, from the seat. Keep on saying.
Andre, more food at home. More food is coming
You
for
don't think
Andre.
so? You still don't think so?
Let me see her. Andre.
Who are you? Oh my god. You look nice. Thank you. Oh wow.
Paparazzi.
Apparently.
The only one, so I'm just saying temporary, but then temporary.
Hey guys. So ordered food. Waiting on food right now.
You know how to order it? Yeah, you know, see that more easy.
Food is coming out.
Alright?
Yeah, that one I guess.
But one went in before the other.
Oh yeah, this one.
Tomato grilled chicken, and coleslaw, got burgers over here. Mango daiquiri. Kampai, kampai. This is Japanese kampai.
Kampai. That's yours?
Yeah. Kampai.
Kampai. Share and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, you.
Okay. Alright guys. Bye.
Tell them to subscribe.
Sachoney's live. Yeah, subscribe.
Let's subscribe to my auntie.
To my auntie's channel.
To my auntie channel.
Subscribe.